talk about the song Blue. By the Viagra Boys. It's a really pretty song. It starts out, I believe, it starts out on B minor 7. So if you know how to play a B minor or a minor bar chord with a fifth string root, if you just take your pinky off that, you get a minor 7. And then it goes to a G minor 7. So we get 2 minor 7s. This one's on the 6th string root. And playing it at the 3rd fret. This has got a 5th string root, and we're playing it at the 2nd fret. It repeats, I think, a couple times at the beginning. Just before they get into the verse chord progression. The other way you can play it is you could play the minor 7th here at the 7th fret on the 6th string root. Baby, I didn't mean the things that I said. And you're using the same shape. Okay, so after maybe like 4, maybe 6 repetitions of that, then they go into the main chord progression. And that is D major 7. Playing here at the 5th fret, the 5th string root. Now, the easy way, though, to play this would be to play at the 2nd fret. If you hold down your first 3 strings and play the open D, it makes a nice D. Baby, didn't mean the things I said. And then, remember we were playing the G minor 7 like this? Well, here I'm just playing it the first 4 strings of it. The top 4 strings at the, just bar them on the 3rd fret. So you get it kind of nice. Alright, so the beginning of that is D major 7 to G minor 7. Then, so that repeats maybe a couple times. Then they go to the B minor 7. The things that I've done. Back to the G minor 7. So all together, we got baby, I didn't mean to treat you that way. Guys you see on TV. Summarize D major 7, G minor 7, then B minor 7, G minor 7. So it's a 4-chord progression. That's pretty much the whole song. Now, if you wanted to play some lead guitar, like say you were going to do it as an instrumental, you can play the B minor scale. Works great over this. Remember we said we could play this B minor 7 at at the 7th fret? Well, you can play this B minor scale here. Actually, and what we're playing D major here, and we're using B minor to play it. So it would be, here's just the pentatonic. You're gonna have to add other notes, but 7, 10 on the low E, 7, 9 on the A string, 7, 9 on the D string, 7, 9 on the G string, 7, 10 on the B string. Okay, and the one note that's very important is this note on the 8th fret on the D string. You can also play it on the low E string at the 6th fret. And you can play it on the 11th fret on the B string. So most of the melodies resolve to that. Here's another thing I wanted to show people. You could play this these simplified chords. We're playing this for the D major 7. It's just like looks like kind of triangle shape pointing that way. And if we look at the bar chord, we're just playing this triangle part here. Okay, so we're dealing with string 4, 3, 2. And we have the G string, which is your 3rd string at the 6th fret. We have the D string at the 7th fret with our middle finger. And we have the pinky with our 7th fret on the B string. Baby. Now the cool thing about this is we can just slide it up 1 fret. Didn't mean to treat you so bad. And this, I'm not even really sure what this is, but it's some kind of chord substitution for the G minor 7, yeah. Because like remember, I was just showing you the B minor, but I was saying it was the D major. Well, you can't do that kind of thing. And then you can play the B minor 7 just like at the 7th fret by barring the top 4 strings. Okay, and that's out of that B minor 7 that I said we could play at the 7th fret. Okay, this is out of the D major 7 chord, based on your 5th string root. And this, it works. It's some kind of substitution. So you can play it all right there. Okay, so that's Blue by the Viagra Boys. I think, let me know if you have any questions or anything. All right, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and have a great day. Bye.